തിരുവല്ലയിൽ എൻഡിയുടെ പ്രചാരണാർത്ഥം കേന്ദ്ര ധനമന്ത്രി നിർമ്മല സീതാരാമൻ നയിക്കുന്ന റോഡ് ഷോ പുരോഗമിക്കുകയാണ്. തത്സമയ സംപ്രേഷണം.
അവസാനിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ കേന്ദ്രമന്ത്രി നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. ഹലോ ഹലോ അടുത്ത പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് പോകേണ്ടതുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുകയാണ്. ബഹുമാനിയായിട്ടുള്ള ഈ ഇന്ത്യ മഹാരാജ്യത്തിൽ കൊറോണ എന്ന മഹാമാരി പിടിപെട്ടപ്പോൾ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ സാമ്പത്തിക രംഗം ഭദ്രമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ആത്മനിർഭർ ഭാരത പദ്ധതി പ്രഖ്യാപിച്ച് ഈ രാജ്യത്തെ ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ജനക്ഷേമ പ്രവർത്തനം നടത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള കേന്ദ്രമന്ത്രി നിർമ്മല സീതാരാമൻ നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിക്കും.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. In Kerala, we have been campaigning. Many of us leaders are moving around. I am as a Karyakarta coming before you. You're all right if I talk in English, or you want me to talk in any English? It's all right? I am very impressed by the campaign in Tiruvalla. It has such a rich tradition all brought together. Aranmula part is so impressive, and also the way in which you have assembled. But when I stand in Tiruvalla, there is inside me there is something which makes me feel I'm standing in a very, very holy place. Sometimes, in fact, I was asking Professor Rama, who's with me, why Tiruvallabha has become Tiruvalla. Tiruvallabha is so ancient. Even as I think of that name Tiruvallabha, and when I equally think of the Tayar, Selva Thiru Kolundu Nachiyar, right? Sri Vallabha and Sri Thiru Selvi Thiru Kolundu Nachiyar. These are names which have come over these centuries, over the millennia. They have lived here, they guarded us here, they lived and built a tradition. And the only temple anywhere or any place of worship for that matter, which has a performance before the goddess allowed to go and sleep. Kathakali is performed, am I right? Kathakali is performed before this Lord. The blend of culture, religion, arts, music, that is Tiruvallabha. I will call it Tiruvallabha. It is today for all convenience Tiruvalla, Tiruvalla. For me, mind is ringing around Tiruvallabha, who is about 2 kilometers away from here. And around this area, so much of rich Malayalam culture, language, tradition got built. You're all representatives, you're all descendants of that tradition. In fact, each one of you carry that legacy. You're actually representative of such a beautiful tradition of, faith, culture, language, arts, music. Amazing. I'm standing on that ground. I actually feel very, very touched. And I feel, standing before people who represent this tradition, there's nothing for me to say. But in today's situation, where you're constantly seeing corruption and violence, total policy of appeasement. We need people like you to stand up and say, we shall support that candidate, that party, which shall be the alternative in Kerala. You are not necessarily compelled to vote only LDF. If not, vote only UDF. Why not? Why not that party which is led by an impeccable leader like Narendra Modi, who is our Prime Minister? Impeccable. I ask you, between 2014 and today, is there any one allegation of corruption, misdeed, wrongdoing? Nothing. Whereas there is competition in Kerala for scam. Solar scam, gold scam. Dollar scam, something else, drug peddling scam. Do we want parties like this, which don't care for the people of Kerala, which are only lining their pockets? And I'm utterly shocked. The minister, probably from this area, or fisheries, she's from a neighboring area, Kollam, I think. Look at the attitude of 5,000 crore fisheries related, deep sea related project is given by invitation to an American company. Nobody knows about it. And in fact, the minister herself didn't know anything about it. Later she says, no, yes, I signed it, but it is wrong, I'm withdrawing. What a shame. A state like Kerala, which is rich in fishing and has communities over the century living in the coastline, all of whom are very good in fisheries. For them, for their livelihood, you're giving away a project to the Americans? What kind of an approach to life? And you keep pointing finger at the central government saying you are not respecting federalism. You are not respecting the people of Kerala. Such is the scandal. And ministers, inclusive of directly the CM's office, senior officer, hand-picked officer of the CM, now answering questions of the investigating agencies on how gold in this quantity was smuggled. Any other place, there would have been outrage, there would have been dharna, there would have been protest, there would have been questions asked in the assembly. No, but the Congress party is not interested. Why? Because their solar scam will get picked up by LDF. So it's all right. When we come, we'll take care of doing some scams. When they are here, let them do their scams. Mutual adjustment. You are ending up as voters, people of Kerala, supporting one or the other, both of whom are in some kind of an understanding. It's all right. It suits us. We'll do, you'll do, it's all right among us. But if you bring that party which speaks for the nation, we'll have no chance. So that is the reason why they don't want BJP. And for that, they adopt violent methods. They adopt violent methods, they impose decision like this constituency, Tiruvalla, is in Pattanamthitta. Pattanamthitta is synonymous with Swami Ayyappa. What kind of violence, what kind of police action against us, the bhaktas who are going to Swami Darshanam? And today, they are not even allowed to say sorry. Even when they said sorry, their own party says, no, he may say sorry, we don't feel sorry, we will trash the women who go to, women protesters. But we will stealthily allow women who don't believe in Ayyappa but who want to go and stand there and probably say, Lal Salam. Ayyappa ko salam nahi, Lal Salam bolne wale mahila ko udhar bhejne ka shadyantra hai. This is a conspiracy to go and hoist the red flag of communism before our dear Lord Ayyappa. So, sorry is also not allowed. They will trash us, but they will stealthily allow women to go to the temple who, when they attain an age, they can always go. But no, I want to protest, I want to disrupt everything that which is Hindu. That is what is the objective. And in this, Congress will also play. Oh, no, it is right. Yes, wrong. Right. Right? Come out. Say openly, you shall not touch anything to do with the traditions of Ayyappa. Have they got the courage? I throw a challenge. Let Srimati Sonia Gandhi say, don't interfere. The traditions of Ayyappa Swami is important, you don't touch. No, Congress will not say. Rahul Gandhi comes every time, talks about America not interfering in India. They don't like BJP and Modi getting elected. People are not electing him to become Prime Minister. But even 2 days ago, while talking with a US former bureaucrat, US official, he asks as to why the US's position is not known about what is happening in India. What is happening in India? Gas cylinders are reaching home. Electricity is reaching home. The poorest of poor are getting for selling fruits on the road or vegetables or flowers on the road, loan from the banks. Water is reaching every house. Every poor citizen will get one house, one roof above him, not a thatched roof. This is what is happening in India. But Sri Rahul Gandhi wants to know what the US is thinking about what's happening in India, because earlier you will remember one of the Congress leaders went to Pakistan to ask, do something, get rid of Modi. Did he not? One of the Congress leader went. I'm sure all of you all know. So, without taking much of your time in this heat, I'm very grateful you've given me this opportunity. I'm very, very clear that BJP is the best alternative for Kerala. And in Tiruvalla, you have a very good candidate in the name of Ashokan Kulanada. I humbly request you to please elect him to be your representative in the House, where we need to make sure good governance reaches the people of Kerala, and centers like Tiruvalla are given every opportunity to improve job opportunities for our children, for our young, good education, and also skill training, so that you can do business within being here, and also business such as that you will do here can help you to export whatever you want to do. And therefore, it is important you have a good representative. I repeat, vote on Lotus. Thamarikku vote kudukanam. Thamarikku vote kudukanam. Ashokan Kulanada MLA aganam. Ashokan Kulanada MLA. I will come to Tiruvalla again after he becomes MLA. Now, one little routine which I do everywhere. We should say Bharat Mata Ki Jai in such a voice that it reaches the headquarters of LDF, and another time that it reaches the headquarters of the Congress, that what representation and people support BJP is getting should be known to them. Should we do it? Yes. You will do it with me? Yes. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. காதல விழல, எனக்கே காதல கேட்கல. ஒரு நிமிஷம். பாரத் மாதா கி ஜெய். இன்னும் ஒரு முறை நல்ல லவுடா வேணும். பாரத் மாதா கி பாரத் மாதா கி பாரத் மாதா கி ரொம்ப நன்றி.